What's going on, fourth grade? Now, over here, you have your to-do list. Make sure you get these in there. I'm still missing some Mythbusters videos, but the ones I got were awesome. All right. And if you haven't done lesson one quiz, make sure you get that done. And then this week, we're going to be working on Typetastic, getting your 10 fingers going. So we're going to click on modules. And then I want to click on Typetastic. Now, as we scroll down here, all right, I posted a video of Mackenzie busting the myth, so we know we can bust the myth. I also posted a video of the Mythbusters busting the myth. Look how big their paper is. Check out that video here. Now, if it doesn't play on here, so I should be able to play it. I can play it there, but if it doesn't, click this link right here and you'll be able to play it. All right, Mr. Lane gave you a pump-up video to get ready for the week, to get ready. Now, when you're ready to go to Typetastic, you want to click on this link right here. So click on this link right here. And then we are upper elementary. We're not on K2. And so we want to start in unit 2, all fingers aboard. And then so we're going to work on the upper row, the home row, index fingers, lower row, and kind of go through there. See how many of these challenges you can get through in 20 minutes. All right, maybe you can get into the next unit in 20 minutes. All right, make sure you're using all 10 fingers. The last thing Mr. Lane wants is chicken peckers. All right, no chicken peckers. Now, once you're done, do not forget to scroll up here and mark as done. That's how I know you did your 20 minutes and then you completed your assignment. All right, get using all 10 fingers. We're fourth graders. No chicken peckers in fourth grade. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.